Lightning illuminates the sky, paired with torrential rain, accompanied by a fierce storm. During such events, the majority of birds in the vicinity seek refuge in their nests, patiently waiting for the tempest and downpour to cease. Should the storm persist, the birds sheltered in these nests may face a lack of air, leading to suffocation. Yet, despite this turbulent weather, there exists one extraordinary bird that flying at a speed of 320 kilometers per hour in the sky. 320 kilometers per hour is faster than the normal takeoff speed of an Indigo flight. This bird is flying at an altitude of approximately 20,000 feet above the ground. At 20,000 feet, if the rain clouds are seen, these rain clouds are almost to linger approximately 12,000 feet below. The same fierce rainstorm that compels most birds to retreat into their nests has no effect on this resilient bird soaring a staggering 12,000 feet above the stormy clouds. It doesn't even spare a glance below. This is the eagle. More than just a bird, the eagle stands as an emblematic figure for individuals who strive relentlessly toward their aspirations. When confronted with adversity head-on, they persevere. In this uplifting motivational address, I wish to impart important lessons to you about the key traits and principles we can take away from the eagle. First and foremost, eagle's extraordinary focus. Possessing vision 4 times sharper than that of humans, the eagle maintains an unrivaled determination. Similarly, in our journeys, we must direct unwavering concentration toward long-term goals. Never look down. Always rise with a clear and determined purpose. Keep climbing towards the aspirations you hold dear. It is essential to build this habit as well. Stay steadfast, inspired by the words that fuel your journey towards success. This brings to mind a remarkable tale, the life journey of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who overcame numerous challenges. Throughout his life, he didn't possess significant wealth, yet he held on to his enormous dreams with unwavering persistence. He persevered in his education and poured immense effort into converting his ambitions into achievements. Ultimately, he emerged as one of India's most celebrated scientists, served the nation diligently, and ascended to the esteemed role of President of India. Dr. Kalam demonstrated that when vision guides your words, the possibilities are boundless. Another essential learning for us, habit number 2, revolves around focus. Cultivate focus akin to an eagle's precision. Eagles only concentrate on essentials for their flight. While soaring, even with lurking threats, they remain unfazed, fixing their sight on the vast sky and the goals they aim to achieve. Like them, you should maintain undivided attention toward your aspirations. In life, every individual encounters obstacles or distances. Overcome it. Have no fear. Channel your energy into diligent efforts and steadfast goals. The third critical habit is fortitude. My friends, the remarkable attribute of an eagle is its fearlessness. It remains undeterred by adversity. When battling fierce winds or weathering a storm, an eagle doesn't retreat. Its unwavering resolve empowers it to triumph against all odds. Similarly, you must nurture resilience within yourself, no matter what happens. Have you ever heard of Mahendra Singh Dhoni? This legendary name has etched itself into history. His journey began with being dismissed from his very first job, labeled as unfit for the role. Yet instead of succumbing, he embraced the challenge. Determined to persevere, he resolved never to back down. Dhoni's unwavering courage and relentless efforts not only shaped his career, but also led India to victory in the 2007 T20 World Cup and the 2011 ODI World Cup, filling the nation with immense pride and joy. 5 courage point number 4, adaptability. Learn to change yourself with the times. Today it changes itself in every situation. When someone has a difficult time in a store, they fight that situation. He turns his bad times into his advantage. Therefore, you will also have to make such changes in yourself in every situation that will alert you from your challenges. I remember Ratan Tata, who is one of the most famous industrialists of India. He also lived his life A lot of challenges were faced. His dream was to take the Tata Group even further. But when he saw that the economic downturn was happening, he thought that something new had to be done. They changed themselves, changed their strategies. He adopted a new strategy and finally launched the Tata Nano, which is an affordable car. He showed everyone that if you have to face a problem and none of your ideas are working, then you have to change yourself. You have to learn to change yourself accordingly. Habit number 5 that you should learn from one thing: accept challenges. Impress your challenges. When a storm comes in the sky, neither the eagle nor the mind is happy that today is going to have fun again. Because the more the wind becomes faster, the more these eagles rise. They turn the storm to their advantage. Dhirubhai Ambani is a name that everyone knows. Dhirubhai's life serves as an inspiring real-world narrative of persevering against odds to achieve remarkable success through determination and grit. Despite encountering numerous challenges, he remained steadfast. His aspiration was to create a promising future for his family. Beginning his journey with a modest job, he dreamed of becoming an accomplished entrepreneur. He consistently stayed focused on his goals, harnessing unwavering self-belief to turn them into a reality. The man encountered setbacks, yet his courage never wavered. By deeply analyzing the demands of the market, he expanded his business. Ultimately, despite immense obstacles, he transformed Reliance Industries into a globally recognized brand. Through his journey, he proved that unwavering belief in your ambitions, coupled with hard work, makes the seemingly impossible possible. One crucial lesson to take away is an eagle's story, the path of self-improvement. A young bird once questioned an eagle, observing it soar so high, "How do you manage to fly at such great heights?" The eagle responded, "I may not know my limits, but with every flight, I strive to ascend just a bit more. With each attempt, it soars ever higher and grows faster. After every flight, an eagle gleans fresh insight. To an eagle, flight symbolizes more than a journey. It's a transformative practice. Attaining success necessitates a persistent resolve to better oneself daily." Wrapping up this video, I urge you to seek out the eagle within yourself starting now. Embrace self-belief, resolve to persist and never quit. You must keep your eyes on your dreams. They must truly be transformed into reality. Whenever you're in difficulties, remind yourself that you are an eagle. You possess courage, intelligence, and a bright spirit. You have everything it takes to achieve success. Starting from this moment, start taking meaningful steps to turn your words into actions. Learn to soar high and cultivate the confidence to make your dreams a reality. Make sure to prioritize your well-being and continue advancing diligently with dedication. We will tell in the country, brighten the name of the country in the world,